Will robots ever rule the world? What if I told you they already do in a way? What if I showed you a painting created by a machine, or a poem written by an algorithm, a doctor who can analyze millions of medical records instantly, or a song composed by AI? The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're diving deep into the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. We'll be covering a range of topics, from the historical milestones that paved the way for AI, to its current applications, and in the last, it's the future horizons, which is the best part of the video, in which we will talk about future of AI. So let's unravel the mysteries and wonders of AI together. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's woven into the fabric of our lives, from smartphones to self-driving cars. But where exactly does AI stand today? Let's dive into some key domains where AI is making waves. Visionaries with cameras. Facial recognition unlocks your phone, while AI-powered cameras analyze traffic flow and detect anomalies. Words transformed. Chatbots answer your questions, and machine translation tools bridge language barriers. Medical marvels. AI assists in disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and even robotic surgery. Creative canvas. AI generates captivating music, writes realistic dialogue, and even paints mesmerizing art. Beyond human reach, robots explore hazardous environments, and AI algorithms optimize logistics and delivery routes. But what powers this AI revolution? It's all about data, the lifeblood of machine learning. The more data AI has, the better it learns and adapts. And behind the scenes, algorithms inspired by the human brain process this data, enabling AI to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even generate new content. As AI's power grows, so do the ethical considerations. Bias, privacy, and job displacement are crucial issues that demand careful attention. Open discussions and responsible development are essential to ensure AI benefits all of humanity. Artificial intelligence is not a new word, and not a new technology for researchers. This technology is much older than you would imagine, so describing the whole history of AI will take much time, and video will become so long, so today I will be only telling you key milestones in AI development. 1943. McCulloch and Pitts propose artificial neuron model. 1949. Hebb introduces Hebbian learning. 1950. Turing publishes Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test. The test can check the machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to human intelligence, called a Turing test. 1955. Newell and Simon created the first artificial intelligence program, which was named as Logic Theorist. 1956. The word artificial intelligence first adopted by American computer scientist John McCarthy. 1966. Weizenbaum develops ELIZA chatbot. 1972. Japan builds Wabot 1 humanoid robot. The duration between years 1974 to 1980 was the first AI winter duration. AI winter refers to the time period where computer scientists dealt with a severe shortage of funding from government for AI researches. In the year 1980, the first national conference of the American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. 1997, IBM Deep Blue beats Kasparov. 2002, Roomba, AI vacuum cleaner, introduced. 2006, AI integration in business, Facebook, Twitter, Netflix. 2011, IBM's Watson wins Jeopardy! 2012, Google has launched an Android app feature, Google Now. 2014, chatbot, Eugene Goosman wins Turing test. But the journey doesn't end here. The future holds even more possibilities. Personalized medicine, climate change solutions, and perhaps even general AI, capable of human-level intelligence. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations and potential challenges must be addressed as we navigate this brave new world. Before we move to the next part of the video, Make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel for more such informative and amazing video. Imagine a world where robots collaborate with surgeons. AI assistants predict future trends, and personalized learning adapts to your unique needs. This isn't science fiction, it's the potential future shaped by artificial intelligence. We're not just talking about cool gadgets. AI could revolutionize entire industries. Picture cars driving themselves, delivering you safely to your destination. Imagine farms using AI to grow more food with less water, feeding everyone on Earth. Even weather forecasts could become super accurate. Forget spaceships with humans. AI robots could be exploring Mars and beyond. Think tiny robots buzzing around gathering information about other planets. Imagine powerful AI analyzing telescope data, revealing secrets of the universe. Even cleaning up space junk could be an AI job. But hold on. Before we blast off too far, let's talk about being responsible. Just like with any superpower, AI needs careful handling. We need to make sure everyone benefits, not just a few. Some jobs might change, but new ones will be created. The key is making sure AI works for us, not against us. Remember, the future of AI is up to us. So that is it for the video. I will see you in the next video with more interesting topics. Till then, stay well. Signing off.